Newstar is a new WordPress theme for news, lifestyle or entertainment magazines, movie and travel reviews, how-to, and DIY blogs. First impressions matter, so let's talk about design. Fonts and colors make this website look lively and modern. The sequence of different block structures gives a pleasant rhythm to the page and helps the reader notice the change of news category. Negative space is cleverly used to bring emphasis to the content and make the page look sleek. Despite the fact that it has a lot of content, it does not look overcrowded, both because of wide white areas on the sides, as well as because of the spacing between elements, and grid structure. Readability is optimal, both in terms of size of font and in terms of color contrast between font and background. The categories are conveniently positioned on top, as well as search button. It's overall very orderly and easy to track content. Newstar has a new and unique content element called Article Teaser. It is the most flexible content element by far. It gives the author full control of what info and how to display them on a page. Watch our next video to learn more about Article Teaser.